CVRA Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video. As the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos documented and made over 5 years, you know, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. That doesn't mean that what I'm going to show you here, it's the exact thing that's going to happen. But I'm not any type of wizard or financial advisor. It's not financial advice. So, because you know it's filling in a gap, it's starting to kind of pump up a bit. This red side prediction and an overall bearishness that I'm still keeping an eye on, I don't think it's going to be over unless there's a full big catalyst or breaks above $3. So currently, still, if there is some sort of a shift from here on towards the downside in terms of a double break, then it's a sell sign. I'm not saying I'm going to sell. I'm saying if there's a double break, then I'm willing to sell. So if you do want to learn how I make you 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.